little jewelry haul today and wanted to share some beautiful stacking rings and a necklace that I got. These are all packaged individually in their own little bags. There is one set of stacking rings. These three are really thin and delicate, and I love how they look. As you can see, I got these in silver, and I'm going to go ahead and put them all on one finger. They're all the same size, and unfortunately, my fingers are all different sizes, so they're all going to go on one finger here. All right. And since they're stackable, you can actually arrange them however you'd like. So I really love that some of them have little divots and textures, and the one in the center is smooth all the way around. So quite pretty. This beautiful rose gold necklace here. It's got little pearls adorning the entire necklace, and I love how delicate it looks as well. And I absolutely love how thin it is. Really a nice piece for any occasion. You can dress it up, or you can pair it with casual clothes as well. And this last one I have here is a set of 8 rings. Probably my favorite yet because this is so affordable. It's $2 a ring, literally. And I love how beautiful and sparkly they are. There are different styles as well. So it's really fun to kind of pair them together, see what mood you're in, and wear the ring that you're feeling at the moment. Or you could put them all on at once and rock 8 rings as you go out. And honestly, you can just have fun with them. I just put them all on my hand just to see how 8 rings on my hand would look. Oh my goodness. I don't think I've ever been this blinged out before. Does that look crazy to you? Anyways, I absolutely love these. I'll probably end up wearing them individually. But I just adore how sparkly they are, and the quality is amazing for the price. So you got to check the links out in the description box, and I've got a discount code for you as well, so take a look there. All right, thanks friends. Bye.